Are you looking for career opportunities in the finance? Yes, you are at right place. Hello everyone, this is Vikram. I am going to tell about what are the different career opportunities available for BCom graduates and MBA finance people in the finance world. So there are the many companies who are looking for MBA graduates as well as BCom graduates. The problem is that many people are not aware about the career opportunities and career options which are available in the market. So today I am going to be share about what are the career opportunities. There are the many career opportunities are available in the financial world. They can start their career in the accounting process. Either they can start the career in the investment banking. In the accounting process, there are the multiple job profiles are available. One can be a accounts payable, it means AP. In the AP, you are going to be work under the procure to pay process. And the second job profile is the account receivable. You are going to be work under the order to cash. And the third job profile is to be BRS, bank reconciliation statement. Such a way we are having the many job profiles in the accounting process. Either you can start your career in the investment banking profile also. If you look into the investment banking career, so there the different job profiles are available. Today I am going to be discuss about the what is an investment banking and what is the workflow. So if you want to be crack an investment banking interview, what is the skill set you require to possess? These are all the things I am going to be discuss. Why I am selecting investment banking only? Because investment banking profile is the highest paid profile. That's the reason I am choosing the investment banking now. Let's start the discussion. So first of all, you need to be understand about what is an investment banker. So what are the functions they are going to be do, as well as what is an exact workflow, which are the companies are recruiting investment banking. So these things we'll discuss today. So what is an investment banker? So investment banker is a company, is a financial intermediator who is going to be provide the services under the following areas. He is going to be provide the services in the capital market. In the capital market, he is going to be deal with the procurement of funds, as well as the second area is he is going to be give the advisory services in the corporate actions, as well as he is going to be deal with the trading and brokerage activities. And the fourth function of investment banker is to be provide the asset management services. He is acting as a portfolio manager. So first function, they are going to be give the services in capital market. In capital market, investment banker, they are going to be deal with the fundraising activities. What is a capital market? So how they are going to be raise the funds? So these things we will discuss. Capital market is a place where the long-term financial securities are exchanged between the buyers and sellers. Who are the buyers? Who are the sellers? Let's discuss about all these things in the further videos. So in simple word, if any company want to be grow their business activities, definitely they require an additional funds. In order to collect such an additional funds, companies are going for public issues. Going to public issues is one of the more complex and critical activities in any company's lifetime. So that's the reason to fill their requirement to complete their public issue process, they are approaching to the investment banker. So here, what is the role of investment banker? So investment banker need to be guide the company to complete the public issues. It means either if companies are going for IPOs, companies are going for APOs, or companies are planning to go for right issues, any fundraising activities. In every fundraising activities, investment banker is going to be give the advisory services. So then what is the significant role of investment banker in public issues? So first, to provide the right guidance to the companies to successful their IPO process, to select the right price, how much premium they want to be at. So he is going to be give the suggest to the companies to set up a price band. Investment banker is going to be provide a right price tag based on the several factors. By consider the business model of the company, by consider the revenue growth, by consider the profitability of an organization, as well as management efficiency, as well as fundamentals of company. If the price is overvalued, so most of the investors are not willing to purchase. So that's the reason, so they need a advisory services to get a right price tag. As well as the third one, to select a right time. So because of if the global economical conditions are not up to mark, many investors are not willing to do the investment in the companies. That's the reason, so investment banker he is going to be decide whether it's right time to come for the public issues or not. As well as meeting with an investor and selling the financial securities which are offered by the companies, because of 90% minimum subscription is required for any public issues. So that's the reason investment banker is going to be play a crucial role while selling the financial securities to the public. Similarly, if any company want to be issue the debt securities also, investment banker will play a crucial role. In the ECS market as well as DCS market, if any issuer want to be issue the equities or bonds or debentures, so if they want to be issued these kind of financial securities, investment banker will play a crucial role. Apart from that, he is going to help to the companies to pull the syndicate bank loans also. So these are all the several activities which has been carried out by an investment banker for collection of funds. In case if you want to be work under these areas, what are the skill sets you require to possess? Especially you need to be understand about the what is the capital market, and in the capital market what are the various sources are available to collection of funds like IPOs. You need to be understand about the IPO and its process flow, and you need to be understand about the FPOs, and you need to be go through with the right issues. These are all the areas you require to know. Along with that equity market, you require to know about the debt market also. Second functional area of investment banker is providing the advisory services in corporate actions, in transactions like M&A, mergers and acquisitions, as well as debt restructuring. So first you need to be understand about the what is an M&A activities, how the M&A activities are going to be carried on, and what is the debt restructuring. So merger and acquisition. So merger means one or two companies combining together to get some synergy benefits. Acquisition means one company acquiring or purchasing the another company. In every M&A process, at least there are the two parties. One is a buyer and one is a seller. So buyer we can call as a big company, seller we can call as a target company. If you look into the example, recently Walmart company acquired the Flipkart company. In these cases, Walmart is considered as a big company and Flipkart is considered as a target company because of Walmart is a buyer and Flipkart is a seller. The investment banker is going to be provide the services to the buyer company or seller company based on who recruit him. In M&A process, the buyer companies they are going to pay the compensation to the target companies. This compensation they can pay in terms of cash, either in terms of shares. Sometimes it will happen both cash and share settlement. This compensation payment in technical terms we can call as considerations. What are the synergies are possible with the mergers and acquisition? These things we will discuss in the further sessions. Here, what is the significant role of an investment banker in the mergers and acquisition? So investment banking having a good knowledge about the industry, as well as he is going to be make the company's valuation. So that's the reason investment banker is required. So there are the two possible roles investment banker can do under the M&A activities. One can be from the seller side, one can be from the buyer side. Whenever he is providing the advisory services to the buyer, otherwise he is a seller, these two are the different activities. Suppose he is providing the services from the seller side, so he need to be provide about the multiple buyers, as well as he need to be provide about the right valuation, as well as he need to be provide about the minimum bidding price. When he provide the services from the buyer side, he is going to be give the following services. As a part of strategic advices, whether the target companies are attractive or not, so their business models are suitable to our bid company or not, these estimations has to be done by the investment banker. As well as he need to be go for the valuation of target companies, because of bid company need to be pay the amount. Here company valuations plays a significant role for an investment banker. You need to be understand about the various company valuation process like DCF, discounted cash flows, and LBOs, leveraged buyouts. These are all the things you require to know. Beside the mergers and acquisitions, so many of the investment bankers are engaging in the restructuring services also. So these services are necessity when company unable to make the payment of debt, as well as when they are in the danger to go for the bankruptcy. If you want to build a career in this process, you require to understand about the what is the corporate actions. Especially you need to be understand about the what is the M&A and how the M&A activities process flow. What are the due diligence activities can be carried out by the investment banker, as well as you need to be understand about the restructuring activities, as well as you need to be understand about the business valuation methods. So these things we will discuss detailedly in the further sessions. The third functional services of investment banker is trading and brokerage activities. Trading and brokerage activity consists about the selling and buying the financial securities. Again, this trading and brokerage activities categorized into two ways. One can be proprietary activities, one can be brokerage activities. If investment banker is doing the trading activities with his own money, that we can call as a proprietary trading. If investment banker is doing trading with the client money, that we can call as a brokerage activities. Here, investment banker, if they want to make the trading, he required to understand about the every asset classes which are available in the financial market. It's mean he need to be understand about the equity market, he needs to be go through with the futures and option market, he need to be understand about the commodity market also. In the recent scenarios, we have seen the lot of disruptions under the each and every asset classes due to these pandemic events. Since the last 4 months, in every asset classes, we are having the lot of disruptions. If you look into the commodity market, the crude oil prices has gone into the negative in the April month. As well as equity market also corrected from the March and April. Now it is recovering slowly. On the other hand, the gold prices is all-time high. If you want to build a career in this process or in this segment, so you need to be understand about the what are the asset classes are available in this particular segment, and you need to be go through with the fundamental analysis of any company. You need to be understand about the technicals also. If you want to be understand about the fundamental analysis of any company, you have to be good understanding of financial reportings, and you should understand about the global economical condition, and you should understand about the functions of secondary market. Fourth functional activity of an investment banking is asset management services. In this asset management services, he is acting as a portfolio manager. Here the investment banker major role is to be building a portfolios to the client based on their risk profile. Here the major intention of investment banker is to be minimize the risk and maximize the return. So if you want to be work under this process, you require to understand about the what is the portfolio restructuring. You need to be understand about the all asset classes like equity, bonds and debentures. Based on the risk profile of an investor, either you need to be select the mid cap company, either you need to be select the small cap company, either you need to be go through with the blue chip company. These are all the things has to be decided by the investment banker only. As well as along with that, investment banker, he is going to be deal with the private equity firms, he is going to be deal with the hedge funds, as well as he is going to be deal with the mutual funds also. So in case you want to build a career in this particular segment, you should have a good knowledge about the private equity firms, hedge funds as well as mutual funds. Till now we have been discussing with all the functions which has been carried out by an investment banker. These are all the several list of companies of investment banking. Out of these companies, some of the companies are pure investment banking companies, and some of the companies are universal investment banking companies, and some of the companies are boutique investment banking companies, and some of the investment bankers are the mid-side investment banking companies. If you want to know more about the boutique investment banking companies, if you want to know more about the large investment banking companies, so I am going to be discuss detail in the further videos. And you need to know about the what is the difference between the universal investment banking companies and pure investment banking companies as well as commercial bankers. Along with that, whatever functional areas which we have been discussed till now, each and every functional areas I am going to be discussing the further videos. I hope this content is more useful to you. Please do subscribe our channel as well as press the bell icon to get the latest notification, as well as share your friends and colleagues to support our channel. Thank you.